Once you log into your account, you'll get to the main dashboard. On the left, click Prospect Finder. Once you get to Prospect Finder, you can search by title, search by company, search by industry, or search by location. For this example, I'm going to search for the head of marketing. I'm not going to specify a company. I want to search by industry, so all the heads of marketing in the healthcare industry, and by location, I'll put in Austin, Texas. I then click Go Ahead, Norbert, and now the data is here. So, let's say, for example, I want to reach out to this guy, Jamie McPeak. I'll just click Show, and that will count as a credit. Here, I have their LinkedIn, their email, and their phone number. If I click here, that will bring me to their LinkedIn. You'll also see sometimes there is no LinkedIn or phone number, but for this one, you can see there's a lot. I could select all here and export to a CSV, and then I have a list of prospects I can use for my sequences here. Let's do another test. Instead of the head of marketing, let's go for sales managers. Get a different list in the SaaS industry. Let's say I want to reach out to all the sales managers in the SaaS industry based in New York. Let's run this. Here we go. So, we've got some more people here. Peter Kuhn, for example, working at Moat. Click Show. There you go, that's a credit. And you've got quite an extensive list here. You can also go to the next page if there is one. You can select all, or you can do them one by one. Let's say I want to just add these to my CSV or add this to my prospect list. Then, I'll click Export. There you have it. Enjoy the tool. Thanks.